Welcome to BCMP Academy. Today we are going to do some operation on integers. So let's start with addition. Let's take 2 plus 3. So I'm going to take a number line first. I'm going to start with this 2. I have 2 here on the number line and I'm going 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. So my sum is 5. Let's take another example. Like minus 3 plus 6. So on the number line, I'm starting from minus 3 and I'm going 6 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my sum is 3. Let's take another example. As minus 2 plus of minus 5. So I'm going to start with the minus 2 and I'm going 5 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my sum is minus 7. Let's do some operations for subtraction. Let's take minus 5 minus 2. So I'm starting with minus 5 on the number line. So I'm going 2 units to the left. So 1, 2. I get the difference as minus 7. Let's take another example of minus 3 minus 7. So I'm starting with the minus 3 on the number line. So I'm going 7 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer will be minus 10. There are some rules for multiplying and dividing two integers. So let's learn the rule first. The rule is when you multiply an integer with plus sign and another integer with plus sign, you get the product as plus. So if you have the first integer as minus with minus sign, the second integer with minus sign, your product should be plus. The same way, when you have different signs like plus or minus, your product should be minus. And if you have minus multiplied by plus, the product should be minus. So let's do some sums with these rules. So I'm going to take minus 3 multiplied by 2. So according to the rule, different signs, because I'm having a minus 3 and a plus 2 here. So minus and plus, when you multiply a minus sign integer with a minus sign in plus sign integer, the product should be minus. So you should multiply the number. So I will multiply the 3 and 2, I get 6. Now I'm going to put the sign minus. Let's take another example as minus 5 multiplied by minus 10. So in this sum, we have same signs, minus and minus. So the product should be with the plus sign. So First, let's multiply these two numbers. 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. And put the plus sign, or you can write as just 50. Let's do some examples for division. So, I'm having minus 5 divided by 5. So, the same rule applies for multiplication and division. So, I'm having different signs here, a plus and a minus sign. So, my quotient should be in minus. So, let's divide these numbers. So, 5 divided by 5 is 1. And I should put the negative sign. Let's take another example for division. Minus 4 divided by minus 2. So, first let's divide these two numbers. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Next step, we should check the signs. Now I am having a minus sign for the first number and also another minus sign for the second number. So according to the rule, minus and minus, quotient sign should be positive. So plus 2, or you can write as